Why professional training is important for car detailing business. Hi guys, I am Ankur Sama, Chief Trainer at AutoFresh Detailing Academy. I have trained hundreds of budding detailers in India. Almost everyone comes up with same kind of question, is training really important? Is training very crucial for success in detailing business? Do I really need a professional training course? Every one of my trainee will tell you that professional course detailing will set you apart, and it really primes you for success in this detailing business. Because firstly, this industry is technical with many different types of machine compounds and pads, and it is very easy to get confused if your basics aren't right. You need to know the different types of paints on car, when to use which type of compound, which pad to use, and which machine and which area of the car. And secondly, to get your basics right, you need to learn in structured and systematic manner, which is not possible by watching foreign videos scattered randomly over YouTube. Here at the ADA, we have dedicated course to help you get ready for success in this industry. I teach at the academy and share my 15 years of experience in this 5-day course. We share with you not just the technical know-how of the industry, but we make you practice and get hands-on training. And perhaps most importantly, we groom you for success in the industry by helping you understand the business side of detailing store. Because at the end of the day, every detailing store has to make money. So I urge you to look at the courses we offer. I'll see you in class.